morning. I'm so mad. My stupid alarm didn't go off.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great.
Good morning, oh, I still have my AirPods in. Dang it, I forgot the case. Merry Christmas Eve. The excitement is astounding in this vehicle right now. I am actually filming this video the same day I'm uploading it. I'm uploading it later today, so Merry Christmas Eve. I'm literally uploading it later today, I swear to you. I'm gonna end it early in the day because I didn't film anything yesterday. People have been requesting Matthew in the vlogs more, so there he is, feeling so enthusiastic. We need to talk about our realization that we had last night.
Oh gosh.
That is honestly really sad.
What?
We were talking about how we're like older, like we aren't as excited for Christmas anymore because the magic of Christmas
It's just this
is
year.
wearing off. And like all the little kids didn't even get to meet Santa this year. This is a Santa trigger warning if you're watching with your younger siblings.
Santa trigger warning.
Well, I'm serious, like what if someone's watching with their younger sibling and then I spoiled Santa? How old were you when you found out?
Oh,
Mom?
dude.
Do you even
I don't
remember the
but my
story?
mom, I do remember my mom sat me down and
was like
showed me
6.
news
I was so
clippings
young.
of all the different Santas in malls, and that's how she explained it. Was like, how could you have that?
That is
Santas in a mall?
horrible. I remember my grandma taking me into the office to tell me at like age 6.
Little kids watching your
Well, that's why I gave the Santa trigger warning.
What if there's a kid watching it by themselves?
I know.
I would hope if somebody was old enough to know that Santa wasn't real, you shouldn't like be watching YouTube.
True.
I don't know, because there's some bad things on this internet. The big wide web, world wide web. Wow, that was sad. Okay. We are going to lunch. Where are we even going?
Oh, that reminds me of when your brother called it the Interline.
Oh,
Like going
like
online and the internet, and he
okay.
called it the Interline.
We're like going into the depth of the childhood stories. I'll keep you updated. Always eat all the chips and salsa before the food even comes. This looks amazing. This is called the Baja Bowl. It has chicken, pico de gallo, cheese, and then rice and beans underneath. And it came with flour tortillas in here. I am very excited. And he got a quesadilla. And Mama
Enchiladas.
got some enchiladas. We are out and we are going to go pick up a few things at Ralph's, and I'll keep you updated.
Do you want to see? You see where we're going? Look, what we doing?
The dog is going so psycho.
Okay, all right.
I don't think he likes the car. Let's get going. Guys, I just had to use my horn for the first time ever driving because somebody was gonna hit me pulling out of the parking space. Big girl moves. We are literally a mess in this store. We're trying to find stuff for apple pie right now.
Right down here.
Oh. Hello guys, I'm home. It is currently almost 2 o'clock. I haven't vlogged in a hot minute, but Allie and I were just fighting about how she's wearing my sports bra without asking. This lighting is very weird right now. I feel like half my face is in the shadows, so let's move over here. I feel like this is a little bit better. My hair, I don't know what's going on. I'm having a moment right now and I need to chill. So I have to obviously edit and post this vlog later today. I need to take the infamous what I got for Christmas thumbnail where I clickbait everyone because this video does well every year, and I put all the family's presents on the couch and take like a big picture with all of them to make it look like they're all my gifts. Again, for the clickbait, I'm so sorry, but it just makes the video look really epic. So I'm gonna take that. I wanted to take an Instagram picture because I had a cute caption for Christmas Eve. I don't know if that's gonna happen though. Write some thank you cards and then work on my new intro for 2021. Also, I have school homework to do, but I just think that will not be necessary to do right now because I'll have all of break to do it before school starts back again. So I think it's fine. I'm gonna take away the school homework thing because I just don't think I'm gonna get that done in time. So first thing is to take the what I got for Christmas thumbnail. I think I'm just gonna stay in the outfit that I have on right now. Usually I do like, I'm saying usually, I think this is my 4th time doing it. Okay, I was getting a little too ahead of myself. It will be the third time that I'm doing this video. I'm very excited about it. I'm talking as though I've been doing it for like 10 years. I haven't. But the last 2 times I've done it, I've worn Christmas pajamas, but not today because I really don't want to change. And I'm doing it in my leggings. I'm going to move all the gifts from under the tree to the couch. I'm so sorry to clickbait you. I hate to do it, but it has to be done. Look who it is. Hello. My fave, Caitlin. And I put on this sweatshirt. Show us. Because look, we are matching. I kept saying we need to get an Instagram picture and I'm like, my whole mindset, everything revolves around the content. Also, please show us your nails. She did these herself. Don't they have acrylics on them too?
They have tips.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Please be my personal nail artist. Thank you so much. We are gonna go to Target and we're gonna get some Christmassy things. We're thinking like maybe gingerbread houses, Christmas cookies, anything like that to get us in the holiday spirit. And then we're gonna come back and make some hot cocoa and turn on a Christmas movie. Target time. There's some guy literally magically playing the cello outside of this Target Christmas songs, and it is beautiful. We were literally getting like 3 things. This is my second time going to a grocery store today. Sparkling apple cider and frosting. I'm gonna go give some cash to this guy playing I think he's playing the cello, something like that, because it sounds really good. Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
You too. Oh my gosh, she's so good.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Hello everyone, we are here
Look at how fire this is.
decorating our cookies.
It's literally
it's
Such fire.
so cute. This is my gingerbread man. Caitlin, do you want to show what you're working on? A beautiful tree. We're playing the Santa Claus 3 right now. That is beautiful. I love the sparkle on there. Period. We have it's a mess, but we have a whole station, an assembly line
That took
going on
Allison
here.
like 10 minutes to do.
It really did. Anyways, these look so cute, and I'm gonna upload this video literally right now. So when I'm filming this, it was like 10 minutes ago, but thank you guys. Wait, what'd you say?
I said she's been working her butt off for you
I
guys.
love you, Caitlin.
Subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching. I will see you tomorrow for the What I Got for Christmas video. It's coming tomorrow because my family opens gifts on Christmas Eve. Stay tuned. It'll be up late tomorrow night if you're staying up waiting for good old Santa Claus. Okay?
Tomorrow night you're doing your What I Got?
Yes, it's gonna be great.
Bye.
Bye guys. Mwah.